Mother Nature nurtures life, but plastic waste has become one of its greatest threats. Every year, millions of tons of plastic are discarded, causing severe pollution. But there is a green solution: the compostable t-shirt bag. Not only strong and durable, but also fully biodegradable in nature. Let's explore the journey of creating this eco-friendly bag. It all starts with biodegradable resin, a material that naturally decomposes without harming the environment. Through advanced extrusion technology, the raw material is turned into thin, flexible film, the foundation of the compostable bag. Precision cutting technology ensures the creation of strong, reliable t-shirt bags for various needs. Designed for everyday convenience, compostable bags can be used for shopping, food storage, and more. And the best part, after use, the bag decomposes into water, CO2, and organic matter, leaving no plastic waste behind. Every green choice today leads to a cleaner future. Join us in protecting the environment with compostable bags.